Hey there, welcome to this video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to solve 40 squared in this fast and simple trick. So we just take the first digit, which is 4, and square 4. 4 squared is 16, we can write 16 here. Now we take the second digit, which is 0, and square it. 0 gives us 0 as well. And now, what next? 4 times 0 is 0. And when you multiply it by the exponent 2, we still get 0. So this is a question of zeros. And we sum it all up, we still get 1600. So 40 squared is 1600. If you are born by then, let me know in the comment section. But if not, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye-bye.